Michigan, let's ride. Sun on the lake, radio loud, everybody smiling in a summer crowd. Boats on the water, kids at play, feels like Saturday every day. Baseball nights and county fairs, backyard grills and lawn chairs, cruising through another small town street. Every sunset can't be beat. Every driveway, every porch light, every hometown feels just right. Michigan summer, nothing gets better. Blue skies forever, we'll remember. From the lakes to the city lights, every day's another Friday night. Michigan summer feels like home.